Hello everyone, welcome to our Google Cloud Study Jam Session 1. Those who don't know me, let me give my quick intro. I'm Amita Singh, GDSC Lead Sharda University, and there is our facilitator Ujjwal. Rest पता नहीं सब लोग अपना मुंह क्यों छुपा रहे हैं, I don't know. Come on guys, अपना कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हो. There's no restriction. It's an interactive workshop for all you all. ताकि शेयर ना शुरू करो क्लाउड का सेशन with great spirits. Also, this session is being recorded, so try to stay in manner, okay? भले अपना कैमरा ऑन करो. There's no issue. Hello पीयूष. सर इस स्पेस में कहाँ बैठे हैं आप? ये पहले ही क्लाउड्स में पहुंच चुका है. Nice.
Try to open up your cameras, guys.
We will wait for a few minutes that other folks join.
Let's wait for 2 minutes, then we'll start.
One eternity later.
So, how many of you have already started the course? Nice, I can see many hand raises. Like 3 of them is done. Ashpit, I saw your I saw your name. Your application was not processed because you have not submitted your code correctly. Like your skill boost profile was not correct. Sorry, Ashmit, but you have not correctly filled your form. So I think we should start. We have 51 members right now.
Yeah, just start. Others will join later.
Okay.
Come on, Harsh. Yes, no, sir.
So you can call me Ujjwal. I have no problems. So let's start. So hello everyone. Welcome to Cloud Study Jam 2023. I congratulate you all that you all are selected for this Cloud Study Jam. You have successfully filled your applications and gotten enrolled in this nice study jam. I also like to mention one thing. We are pretty late because of our exams. We have already mentioned in our info session, but still we have got plenty of time to complete this study jam. We won't hurry. We will take things slow, and we will complete this study jam. And yeah, we'll make this event and make this study jam successful. Okay. So before starting this event, I want to know how many of you have got the confirmation mail and has enrolled in this program already. Please raise your hands. If you want to talk, you can talk. Okay. So 19 hand raises I can see. 21. Nice. 22. 23. Okay. Nice. So almost 40%.
Are these hand raises of those who got confirmation mail or those who have redeemed their code? Because number of redemption are still low.
I have got the mail, but I have not used the code now.
Okay. So I'm asking who has already already used their coupons, just raise your hands. जिसने भी कूपन यूज कर रहे हैं, just raise your hands. Okay. Now the number is decreasing. Okay, so 11 of you has already redeemed their coupons. And okay, so never mind. We will learn how to redeem a code and we will get started with our first lab. Abhinandan Raj didn't receive any mail. Abhinandan uh, will check. Okay. Have you filled the form that we sent you in the info session? Okay. Amita, can you please check what is the problem?
Yeah, sure. I'll check and I'll let you know.
Okay. So those of you have those who have received the mail and got the coupon code, you can just follow along with me, or you can watch the video tutorial that has been provided you in the mail. Okay. So you guys might have got this kind of mail. I'm talking about this mail. How many of you have received this?
Yeah, I have
Okay.
received this mail.
Okay. Cool. So many of you have received this mail. That is why you are here. So congratulations, everyone, once again.
Thank you.
So we will start. We will start by knowing how to redeem a code. Okay. So this is my code, and please don't use this code because it won't work. So how to redeem this code actually? So what we are going to do, so we have already discussed what is skill boost, right? Every one of you have your skill boost IDs ready. You can put your hands down. Okay. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to press Ctrl Shift N or just open incognito window. Okay. Or you can just go here and just so just press Ctrl Shift N and go to your incognito window. Then follow the instructions. Copy this link and paste here. How many of you are following this, which I am doing?
Yeah,
Nice,
following.
nice. I recommend you all to please follow along.
Guys, please follow along. It will be very helpful for you all so that you don't commit any mistake.
Okay, so let's move ahead. After going to this link, Just copy this code and paste it right here. So basic security check, and then submit. And now try to sign in. So,
Sign in with
just
Google. This won't work.
also my bad. Okay, so we are in our account. As you can see, we have this lab, a tour of Google Cloud hands-on lab, right? This is a free lab, by the way, but we need to complete this just to get a monthly subscription. There are 0 credits right now, but once you complete this lab, you will be getting monthly subscription of this Google Cloud Skill Boost lab, and also you will be provided by 9 credits. So how many of you have reached till here?
Ujjwal, let's wait for a few minutes. Let everyone reach till this. Till then, let us resolve some issues we are getting. Everyone who didn't receive any mail, there might have been any error while you have filled your form. Maybe you didn't fill the correct skill boost ID, or your ID wasn't public, or you might have filled form using Sharda or your college ID. So all these errors must have revoked your chances of getting in this program. Else everyone might have got their mail. Okay, so Ujjwal might have mistaken. You will get 9 credits before you start this lab. Okay. After this, you will get monthly subscription. कुछ लोगों के में आई गेस रिफ्रेश करने के बाद दिखाएगा 9 क्रेडिट, कुछ लोगों के में विदाउट रिफ्रेश दिखा देगा. एवरीवन जो भी यहाँ तक रीच कर जाओ प्लीज रेज
Yeah,
योर
so
हैंड सो दैट वी.
I'll figure out what it was. Like if I can show you. वो थोड़ा टाइम ले रहा है यार credits के लिए.
या वो
So
रिफ्रेश करना पड़ रहा है.
I have received my 9 credits already. That is what I was thinking. Where are my 9 credits? So now,
कंटिन्यू.
yeah, I have my 9 credits here. All right. So, web, do we just have to log into GDSC? No problem, Web. You can just follow along. Uh, I'll be summarizing everything at the end. So, how many of you have reached till this point? Just raise your hands or say, I reached.
Anyone and got any problem, just turn your mic on and you can ask the question.
If any one of you have any problem at this point, please raise your hands. And who have reached till here, please put your hands down. Deepak, what problem do you have? Mehul, Sumit, Muskan, please repeat. Okay, so Muskan, you don't have to do anything. Just open the incognito window of your Google Chrome and copy paste the URL that you have received in this form, and then paste this code over there, and you will get your 9 credits.
Sir, we have got two codes. One is of generative AI arcade game, and another is foundation for.
Okay, I'll get
Um,
to that point, but for now, just use Google Foundation.
okay, okay,
Don't
okay.
use
That was my
generative
doubt.
AI.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes,
My
yes, it
credit
is
is
necessary.
still showing 0.
Okay, wait for some time. It will show.
So actually, I have not received the mail where there is code.
You haven't received. Uh, Amita, please check his name.
Vivek, right?
Vaibhav, ma'am.
Vaibhav Dhanush.
Okay, Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Same, ma'am.
Vaibhav Tomar.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name is in the list. You should check your mail. Mail was sent around 3rd of October. It's not that mail.
Please check your mail that you have used to register this.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Anybody else? किसी को कोई problem है? Mehul, what problem do you have, Mehul? Sumit, what problem do you have? You can check your credit status just by clicking your profile button. You will see 9 credits here. At first, it will show 0 credits, then it will show 9 credits. Any problem, anyone? Uh,
I I haven't received any mail.
Anvi Nehru. Okay, so we can do one thing. जिसको भी मेल रिसीव नहीं हुई है, at the end we will like resolve all your queries. Okay, we'll cross check your names to the list, and then we will resolve your queries. Okay. For those who have received a mail and got the coupon and have reached till this point, we will move forward because we have shortage of time. However, I will summarize at the end what I have done. So for now, please just look to this from this point where I am right now. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So we have reached till this point where we have 9 credits and we have started our lab. So like what we have to do, just press to onto this button. Please remember these steps because it will help you complete all other labs. Okay. So once you press to the start button, you will get something like this. You will get your username, password, project ID, and a button to open Google Cloud Console. So we'll get there. At first, we'll see what this lab offers. Okay. So like this is Google Cloud self-paced lab. Okay. So at first we get the introduction. What is Google Cloud? Like for a quick read, Google Cloud is a suite of cloud services hosted on Google's infrastructure, from computing and storage to data analytics, machine learning, networking. Google Cloud offers a wide variety of services and APIs that can be integrated with any cloud computing applications or project, from personal to enterprises grade. Okay, so this is something that is that is into our introductory lab. Okay, so we get the overview what is Google Cloud and how we what is Google Cloud Skill Boost. It will familiarize you with the Google Cloud Console. You will actually using the Google Cloud Console that enterprises use to build stuff. Okay, so you can consider this Google Cloud Console as a dummy console where you can practice your things. You can like be the co-pilot and like do anything you want with your credits or with your as much as your lab provides. Okay, so uh, what if you want to read this, you can read this, but I will summarize it because we don't have much time. So basically, in this lab, you will get a tour of what Google Clouds actually look. Okay, so there are no prerequisite for this lab. If you already know what is Google Cloud, you can just hop on to these both labs that are already there. But I won't recommend you to do that because we have a dedicated path for that. So we'll go there step by step. Okay. So these are the lab fundamentals that I will be explaining you. So the thing you saw there was start lab button. Here you can see your credits. These are your credits that will help you to access these types of labs. Okay, there is a timer, score that score this button. This flag is your score. Once you complete these questions or these tasks, your score will be increasing. Okay, so this is not for you because you won't have to pay for the lab because you are in the Google Cloud Study Jam. Uh, then this is nothing. Okay, so these are the basic questions that it is going to ask you for this particular lab, but you will get some advanced question as you proceed in your upcoming labs. Okay, so I recommend you to read everything that is given here. I recommend you to read thoroughly what is what is this, and like if you want to make notes, it is really great. I think we have planned something to give you notes at the end of each lab or the session we will that we are going to conduct. So that is something that we'll talk in future. Okay, so just for the first question we need to like answer the multiple choice questions and complete this task. This builds a temporary environment in Google Cloud. So what builds a temporary environment in Google Cloud? So can anyone answer?
Start lab.
Nice. Anyone else? Just give your answer, guys. Don't hesitate.
Shall we have to click on submit?
Yeah, sure. So yeah, start lab is the correct answer. Just submit, and yeah, you have successfully completed your first task, like first question of your first task. Okay. When the timer reaches to itna, you will lose access to your temporary Google Cloud environment. Is it true or false?
True.
Nice. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it is true because if you don't have any time, you won't be able to access your lab. Okay. You submit. Nice. Some labs are tracking which scores your completion of hands-on lab activities. So basically, what it means that some labs track your scores and help you complete your hands-on activities. Like if you move forward in your experience with lab, there is something called task which you need to complete. We'll be getting this below it. I can show you where it is. So it is right here. Task for API and services. Okay. So yeah, this is something like which the question wants to ask. This lab tracks your progress, and if you complete your task in the Google Cloud Console, it will provide you marks accordingly. Okay, it will help you accordingly. So yeah, it is true because labs do track your progress. Okay, in order to receive completion credit for the lab that has tracking, you must complete the required hands-on activities. Obviously, obviously you have to complete your hands-on activities in order to receive the completion credit. Okay. Task 1, this was just introductory, so don't consider this as task. First task, accessing the cloud console. We have already clicked on start lab, so it won't matter. Okay. So what it says you will get something like this on your left pane that will have open Google Cloud, Google Console, username, password, and project ID. Okay. So now let's sign in to the actual Google Console. This is where things get interesting, right? So just click to this button, and you will be redirected to something like this. Okay. And for the mail, just use copy this thing and paste it here. Okay. Second, click on next and copy and paste. That means these both are your credentials to access Google Console. All right. Next. I understand what it says. These are just terms and conditions. If you want to read, you may read. Okay, so finally we are in the Google Cloud Console. This is actually what Google Cloud Console look like. Okay. So it says, so it says, welcome to this, welcome student. This is your student ID. This is your student ID, and yeah, I agree terms and services. Okay. Agree and continue. So as you can see, when you click to this button, you will see that you have been logged in as student, and your student ID is this @quicklabs.net. That means you are accessing the Quick Labs. Sumit Kumar, first we have to complete the prerequisites. There are no prerequisites for this lab. I mentioned earlier. I mentioned this earlier. There are no prerequisites. This is an introductory level lab. The first lab you should take if you are unfamiliar with the Google Cloud. It is clearly mentioned. That is why I'm saying you just read it thoroughly. Once you start with this lab, because this lab is really important to complete your all other labs. Okay. So, how many of you are here? I want to see hand raises. Okay. 27 of you are there. Nice. Cool. 25. Please follow along with me, guys, because you might end up doing something wrong. What do you want me to repeat, Vatsil? Hush, you will be finding your start button right here. The green button that you saw. What do you want me to repeat, please? Guide me, guys. कौन सा पॉइंट समझ में नहीं आया? Just tell. Speak out. Speak out. No need to write. Just open your mics and speak.
सर मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि एक बार जो सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हैं ना उसको एक बार करके दिखा दो दोबारा से।
सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हैं मतलब?
सब्सक्रिप्शन रिडीम करते हैं ना, इसमें हम अपनी पाथ स्टार्ट करते हैं।
I think I won't be able to do now because this is क्योंकि वो सिर्फ एक बार होता है. Let's try it. Okay, I'll show you.
Okay, Ujjwal, let me handle. For all those who have missed in between or those who have joined late, don't worry. This session will be uploaded in GDSC's YouTube channel, and you can see this whole video, and then you can follow along with the video. Okay, if you didn't have started the meeting from the start, if you don't know where the track went, so don't worry. Just listen calmly. Okay, whatever Ujjwal is telling, just listen it now, and the rest you can follow along later.
Ma'am, can you share the link of the YouTube channel on the chat?
Okay, YouTube channel will be shared in the group. Everyone has
Okay,
joined the
ma'am.
group, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there
Uh,
I will share once the video will be uploaded.
Okay.
Samit, for now, just copy your link to the incognito tab and just paste your code here. This is how you redeem your subscription. Okay. Okay, so let's move forward. So yeah, this is the interesting part. Like, this is our Google Cloud Console. This is actually where the things happen. Okay, so you will be getting something like this once
सर
you actually have. Yes, please.
सर मैं क्रेडिट्स आर जीरो स्टिल लाइक आई हैव जॉइन द क्लास लाइक जो आप कह रहे लैब में ज्वाइन करना है वो मतलब टेस्ट चल रहा है बट वो जो है क्रेडिट्स का वो स्टिल जीरो है वहाँ पे नाइन नहीं हुआ है।
Wait, it will show you. Show 9 credits after a while.
ओके सर
You have done your you have redeemed your code correctly, right?
सर आई हैव पेस्टेड द कोड फ्रॉम द माय मेल बट स्टिल द क्रेडिट्स आर
Okay,
जीरो।
okay. Just wait for a while. It will show.
ओके सर
If not, just reach out to me.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I can see 9 credits over there, but the 45-minute duration that is not visible. Could you please tell what to do next?
Because you have to click a tour of Google Cloud, hands-on lab down there.
Okay.
You saw that?
Okay, sir.
You saw that?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, cool. So guys, we have just 30 minutes left for to complete this lab. Just let's move forward. Okay. So for a quick intro, uh, what is this uh, dashboard actually is? Okay. So let me explain what this actually is. There are your on the left, you have your navigation menu. Okay. If you click onto this, you will get multiple services that Google Cloud offer. Okay. So basically, you have to learn these all services in order to be a good cloud engineer. Okay. I don't mean to. I actually mean that you need to learn these all services in order to learn Google Cloud uh, in a way that can help you to be a good cloud engineer. Okay. So this is your navigation menu, and these are your all services that has been pinned by already by Google Cloud. Okay. So you got your APIs and services, your billing, your IAM and admin, marketplace, compute engine, and so on. Okay, so these are many services that Google Cloud offers for their users. Okay, how many of you have already used Google Cloud before? Nice. $15 of you have already used, right? Okay. So yeah. So let's talk about this part. This part has your projects. Okay. If you have ever worked with Google Cloud, if not, I'll explain you. You can create your new project from here, but don't try to do that. I don't think so. Quick Lab will be happy if I do so. So Quick Lab already gives you this project where you can work for anything that your lab provides. So for now, I think this is enough for you to complete this lab. But there are many things like there is active cloud shell, there are notifications, help, and many things. Okay. So here, this is the card where you can see your project info. It will help you to know what your project you are actually working on, because sometimes it happens that you have multiple projects and you don't know which project you are working. So it is pretty handy. This is your API services, how many, uh, at what rate you have used your APIs. And these are many services that are already pinned onto this Google Cloud Console. Okay, let's check activities. So we have zero activities because we haven't touched this machine before. Recommendations, it will have many recommendations by Google Cloud, but for now, as we haven't done anything with this project, so we cannot get any recommendation for now. Okay, so let's go to our lab and see what we have to do next. Okay, so we have successfully signed into our Google Cloud account, and we are getting this type of console. Okay, so first question for you all: what field is not found in the left pane? Please answer. Just open your mics and nice.
System admin.
Nice, nice. Anyone else? Just speak out, guys. Don't hesitate.
System admin.
Nice. So, system admin is the correct answer because we cannot find system admin anywhere in this pane. Okay. Or this pane. Actually, it is talking about this pane because we have password, open Google Console, project ID, but we cannot find system admin. The username in the left pane panel, which resembles Quick Lab link, is a cloud IAM identity. True or false?
True, sir.
True.
True.
Nice. For those of you who don't know what is Cloud IAM, it is actually the access control of cloud. IAM basically stands for Identity Access Management, where this stuff is used to control the access of other users. Basically, what happens in enterprises when cloud is used, there are multiple users that are going to use single cloud and work uh, that are going to work on different services of Google Cloud at the same time. So who is the for example, I am the admin and I want that Karthik or Neeraj or Harsh has to work on APIs, and Javed, Aditi or Rajiv has to work on some other services. So I can control their access and regulate who can use which services. So basically, we can, yeah, Samit, correct. We can assign roles to them, right? Okay. So basically, cloud IAM is that stuff. I should not go deep into it, but this is what it actually means. Okay, we forgot to submit. Yeah. So we have completed our task one successfully. Okay. So let's go to task two. Projects in Cloud Console. I've already talked about projects in Cloud Console. This is our project info for this Cloud Console. Okay. If you want to read more about what this offers, you can just read to this. I highly recommend you to read this para and every other para for this lab. Okay. So any questions about this? Any questions about projects in Cloud Console?
No, sir.
Okay, nice, cool. So what it is asking, an organizing entity for anything you build with Google Cloud. Oh, can you answer? Nice, nice, Ahmad.
Google Cloud Project.
Nice, Hardik. Anyone else? Please don't hesitate to answer. These are pretty good questions to get you started with the cloud. Abhishek, nice.
Google Cloud Project.
Nice, Deepak. Okay, so the right answer is Google Cloud Project. Okay.
Sir, what is cloud storage bucket?
Cloud storage bucket is actually a service that you have in a Google Cloud where you that works as your database. Have you ever worked with any database? Who asked the
No.
question? Okay, so basically, when you create something like when you work on something project, let's say, for example, you want to build your own gallery. Okay, and you want something that will store your images, because there has to be a thing that could handle your images. Okay, because those images take up space. It works as your pen drive, right? So Google Cloud's storage bucket is sort of your pen drive or a large hard disk where you can store all your stuff. You can dump things. Okay, it has crazy amount of storage. That storage is counted in GBIs. Okay, this is something that you can use to like dump. It is so fascinating because you can you can dump every data into it. Okay, but the only catch is you have to pay for it. So yeah, if you can afford it, you have the service. uh,
Okay.
okay, like doubts are clear, or should I move?
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah. No, no, it's clear.
Okay, fine. So quick lab resources are shared with all quick lab users, which means that you cannot delete or modify it.
True.
True.
Nice, nice. Anyone else?
True.
Nice, Hardik. Anyone else? Okay, so yeah, it is true. Any questions regarding it? Because I think it is a pretty obvious question. Okay, let's move. Quick Lab Resources is a project where you run all your
True.
lab steps.
False.
Okay,
True.
True.
okay.
False.
I want to actually show you what happens if you give the wrong answer. Okay. So what should I press? Please, please, please. Anyone?
False.
Okay.
For
So
wrong, you should press true.
okay, let's try false. Oh, it was correct answer. I'm sorry. So basically, you guys did the like you guys told me to click false, so I clicked the false. But basically, what happens if you click anything else? I have to show you. Yeah, there are many more questions. Okay, so let's hop on to task 3, roles and permissions. Okay, in addition to cloud computing services, Google Cloud also contain a collection of permissions and role that define who has the access to what resources. You can use cloud identity and access management. That is what I explained you a few minutes ago. Services to inspect and modify these roles and permissions. Okay, so let's show you what it actually is. If I navigate to my navigation menu, I'll be you all be able to see what is this. I am an admin. Okay, right. So this is what IAM service actually look like. Just taking time. It takes time sometimes. Okay, don't worry. Actually, I want to tell you something more. There's a great thing about Google Cloud. It gives you this section, Learn Tutorial, because there are many, and it provides you the direct documentation from where you can learn these stuff. So if you are willing to learn, just open any of these. Like I want to open I am overview. I can go to this and just read. Okay. So this is I am overview in detail. So this is what this section actually looks like. So we have different different people. Let me zoom it. I told you right. Owner can provide role. Owner can assign roles to different person that can manage different services. So we have our owner, that is Quick Labs admin, and this is also BigQuery is like a service. So like this is also the owner of that storage. Like he is the storage admin, and then comes us. We are the editor and the viewer, student. We have this ID. Like so, basically, the owner has assigned us role just to edit and view some of the resources that are provided by Google Cloud. Okay, so this is what actual uh, IAM dashboard looks like. There are many more stuff like identity and organization, troubleshooter. There are many more things, but like yeah, this is a tab where we can uh, that we can use to assign roles. Okay. So there are different roles. Like if I want to give somebody the permission to use artifact registry, right? So I can just click to this, and I have different permissions. There are different permission. Just like I can create artifact registry. I can get the list out of it. Who can push? Who can create? Okay. So there are many different roles in IAM that we can use, and also we can have our custom rules. So this was our IAM dashboard. So this is what it is explaining. You should read these three. Okay, like we saw, we have owner, editor, and also a viewer. Okay, there are three different sections. So it is obvious by their name that what is owner, what is the role of owner. Can anyone tell what is the role of owner? Boy, we just open your mics and speak, man. What is the role of owner? Hi everyone. Are you there? It doesn't matter if you are wrong or right.
Someone who will take final action on the project or on the cloud area.
Yeah, sincerely, you're somewhat correct.
Who finalizes if it's matlab, who sees everything if it's wrong or right, if it should go further or not.
Who has
Can you
all
guys please?
powers or permissions that who should have the order, who should, doesn't
Okay,
have?
let's see it likewise. That who is the owner? What is the role?
So owner basically assign different role, permission via projects. Can you
Can you
say
guys
it,
explain?
Ujjwal?
Okay. Can you guys explain what is owner in your day-to-day life? Who is owner? Someone please close your mic.
Parents.
Ah, parents. Yeah, they are our own. Nice. Anyone else? If you own a car, you are its owner, right?
Yeah.
Owner owns the
Exactly.
project.
Exactly.
One who paid.
Exactly.
One who paid.
Oh, exactly. Now you are getting the point. So owner basically is someone who owns everything, right? So Google Cloud, as you all know, it is not a free service. It is pay as you go service, like right. So basically, what happens is uh, I'm working on a big enterprises, right? So owner will have all those permission that account should handle. Like that account have everything. Like he is the admin of every service that is available on Google Cloud, and every services that he is willing to pay. Okay, so owner can give you the permission. Owner can also use the services, and owner can do anything he wants. Okay, so owner is basically your admin that handles everything and assigns role, manage permissions, and all those other stuff. Then comes the editor and comes the viewer. Okay, so whenever you want to like understand what are these all or anything else, just go to your day-to-day life, because like कभी भी क्या होता है ना, programmer don't program stuff outside your day-to-day life. He is also human. He thinks that if I am understanding this way, everyone should understand this that way. So don't make your own definitions when you come across something fancy, like roles के साथ owner जुड़ गया या फिर something like that. Just compare with your day to day life and you will get things. Okay, so I think तुमको clear हो गया होगा what is owner, editor and viewer. Editor is someone who can edit and have the permission to take actions on the service, and viewer just can view the services how it is running. Like he's like he's the viewer of the service. I think I should not explain it much. So let's move. We have just 11 minutes left. I'm sorry, we have to exceed our time. It is already 9:27. But yeah, we have to move. Answer the following. Offers quick access to the platform services and also outlines its offerings. So what is it?
Navigation menu.
Nice.
Cloud operation.
Anyone else?
Navigation
Nice,
menu.
Nice, Deepak.
Menu.
Exactly. It is navigation menu. Nice. Basic roles: set project level permission and unless otherwise specified, control access and management to all Google Cloud services. Anyone?
True.
True.
Nice. किसने क्लाउड ये लैब पहले कर ली? जो अभी मेरे साथ कर रहा है. Nice, 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 nice. Great, guys, great. This is what I expected. Nice. Okay, so yeah, it is true. Uh, for now, I am not like explaining everything in deep because we have shortage of time. So let's move. Okay, so provides all viewer permission plus permission for action that modifies state,
Editor.
such as changing existing resource.
पिछले आप
What is it?
Editor role.
Nice. Anyone
Editor
else?
rule. Editor rule.
Exactly.
Editor.
It is editor. Perfect. So we have our final task for APIs and services. How many of you know what is API? A big silence, right? Nice, man, nice. जिसको आता है please speak out. We have just 9 minutes left. I'll give you 30 seconds to speak. Just speak. What is API? I'll try to explain you in 2 minutes, but
They
trust
they
me,
are
it is more than
pre
that. Nice application programming interface. Nice, Karthik. Anything else?
they are pre-made services which a developer can use and enhance and create more out of it.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Anyone else? For those of you who don't know, I am
Allows
currently working on
software
the
to
microservices
communicate.
architecture. Sorry, Weber.
Allows softwares to communicate. Two softwares to communicate.
Exactly. So those of you who don't know, I am actually working on the microservices architecture and creating a project that would uh, be solely on microservices architecture. It is a big term, but like it generally what happens, it generally uses many of the services written in many different programming languages, right? So for currently I am using Golang for the authentication and Python for the image recognition and something else for something else. Okay, means I have different services built on different other languages. Okay, so what I'll do to connect these all, what can I do? We has to have something, right? we have to we have to, we has to have something to connect these all services and help them to communicate each other in order to get a final product, right? So we have APIs for that. So basically APIs are application programming interfaces that you can directly call or via client libraries. Uh, I'm just reading what is written there. Cloud APIs uses resource-oriented design principle as described in this API design guide. So we won't be looking into this for now because we have just 7 minutes left. We will be completing this lab as soon as possible. Okay. So yeah. So basically what it says, just find this API. I want this service that I can use in my project. Dialog flow API. Okay. Basically this library is used to create chatbots and stuff. Okay, so our task is to find this where it is. Okay, so yeah, just let me go to my dashboard where you all might be. So first step, just go to a navigation menu. You'll see APIs and services. Second step, just go enable APIs and services. Okay, this is really interesting because I'm using Google Cloud API in my project. I'll not be using for now, but just I'll be enabling it. This is our first step, right? Internet is too slow. So we have something like this. Uh, we have dashboard something like this. So I'll just click on this because I think it might be there. Enable apps and services. Okay, so we are in our API library. Basically, this is the place where you will find many different libraries. Okay, so as many of you know that Google offer lots of services like Google Maps, like ML Kit and whatnot. Like I cannot remember many, but yeah. there are many services that you can use. You can just scroll down and you will find there are many services that you can use. So basically what we have to find is this Dialogflow API. Okay, so this comes under machine learning section. Just go to this library, and yeah, we find this button enable. Just click to this button. And yeah, we've successfully enabled our API. See, there is icon called disable API. That means we have successfully enabled our API. Status enabled. Okay, we can see in our notification that enable API service. Okay, so there are many other ways where you can see that my service is actually running. So yeah, this Dialogflow APIs is for chatbots and voice-powered apps and devices. Basically, this is for machine learning, guys. Yeah, there's more interesting thing that some of you might be interested in machine learning. So yeah, you can create projects using Google Cloud machine learning models. There are many stuff like ML kits. Okay. Yeah, we have done this. Let's check my progress. Okay. So basically, Skill Boost is tracking your progress. This is what we wanted. Okay. So the last step. When you start a lab, you need to enable APIs in your project to start working Google Cloud. So was is it true or false? Anyone?
False.
Anyone?
False.
Yeah,
False.
exactly. Because yeah, we don't have to enable APIs going to start our lab, right? It was pretty obvious. Yeah, so false. But congratulations, guys! We have completed our first lab. See your points. We are 100 on 100. Congratulations. Okay, so this is what it was, and you can just end the lab from here.
My
Submit.
points are not showing, and my credit is also zero.
Okay, I'll get into it. It was amazing. Okay, so we have successfully completed our lab. Yeah. So yeah, we have successfully completed our lab and we have passed. Congratulations, everyone. So now, anyone has any query? किसी को भी कोई डाउट है about any service or कुछ भी तो like for okay, one more thing, you can just close, it doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah. Anyone? Any doubt?
Sir,
Sir,
if
how to
we
enable
start the
API?
timer, sir, if we start the timer, that lab one, so then we have to complete all the exercises, right? We cannot like pause in
Exactly.
between and
No. You have to sit
okay.
and you have to complete all the tasks.
Okay.
Anyone else? Someone was asking in the messages. How to enable API? Vachal, I just told you how to enable API. I cannot go back to show you how to enable, but you can check the YouTube video where you can see how to enable APIs. Anyone else? किसी को कोई डाउट है किसी भी चीज से रिलेटेड?
Sir, what to do after this? Like after completing all the assignments, all the tasks. So what after
ओके,
that?
आई एम कमिंग टू दैट, पर उससे पहले किसी को भी इस चीज में कोई डाउट है?
Sir, after enabling the API, what I have to do? मतलब, then
Just go back to your skill boost account and click on check my progress.
sir, still it's showing. Please enable the Dialogflow API.
So uh, तुमने अच्छे से करा नहीं होगा ब्रो.
नहीं सर, I followed the all steps.
Can you please share your screen and show us how did you do that,
Yes.
please? Shreyal Gupta haven't got points and credits. Shreyal, when did you logged in?
No, I've not got my credit.
Uh, सबने अपना
I
कोड
I
तो
also haven't got my credit.
okay. So okay, I'll come to that first.
Sir,
Let's
I'm
check
sharing that.
his.
So this is enable the diaper API. I click this.
Have you completed your all other tasks?
Yes, sir. I've all
Okay,
completed all.
okay, okay. That doesn't matter actually. I was just asking.
Yes, still showing.
Okay, so go to your API library.
Yes.
Go down, dialog flow API. Try this API. Insufficient permission. Okay, just close this and show me your account. Just click to S
Where? Yes, sir.
upright your profile. Uh, just try doing this again in your incognito. I
Okay.
think it might help.
Focus.
Okay, no problem.
So how do we
Okay,
go to the page where we enable the API?
uh, just go to the navigate menu. You will find API and services, and then click to the first option. I don't remember what was that. I think that is enable APIs, enable services. Then scroll down and you will find Dialogflow API and then enable that API. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. So किसी को किसी चीज में डाउट है जितना भी अभी हमने लैब में किया? किसी को भी कुछ डाउट है? It is not showing any credit but showing membership. Okay, Deepak, you have completed your lab, right? Hello, Deepak. Okay. So yeah, this is what I was going to tell you. So see, I have also my monthly subscription here. So basically, what happens is when you complete your first lab, it automatically gives you credit for a whole month.
Actually, your screen is disabled.
My screen is not visible.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir,
you're
we
not
can
sharing
see
your screen.
your.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now we can see.
Yeah,
Okay,
now it's
okay, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So yeah, as you can see, I have also gained my monthly subscription, right? So what I was telling is once you complete your lab, you once you complete your first lab, you get additional monthly subscription for the whole Cloud's Skill Boost account. Uh, yeah. So you can see I have two subscriptions, right? One that has 9 credits, and second that has one monthly subscription that is going to expire on 11 November. All right. So I can play with my Google Cloud Skill Boost as I can complete as many labs I want. I can just play around. I can use any service of this Skill Boost. So this is pretty handy for that. So this is what you actually get when you join Cloud Study Jam. You can learn as much as you can using these credits. Don't worry about just draining out these credits because you have like full monthly subscription. You can just uh, go and just study anything. Okay. तो it doesn't matter. तो am I clear? किसी को कोई डाउट है? हेलो, am I clear? किसी को कोई डाउट है?
Yes, yes.
All right, all right. Please respond, guys. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I
Do we
think
have YouTube membership also?
like if you have your membership, you can redeem here. Like if you have your YouTube membership, you can redeem to get cloud skill boost. Okay, so I think I did everything. I covered everything. So at the end, if you guys want to connect with me, you can just uh, scan this QR. If you want to connect. Javed, your mic is on. So कोई स्कैन भी कर रहा है क्या? I don't know.
Oh,
I
yes.
followed hotel.
Connection
Thanks, sir.
request
Thanks.
sent.
Thanks, sir. Thanks. Sir, the end after API end lab. Yeah, yeah, Vatsal. Just end the lab. Uh, you'll be getting 100 out of 100 points, then end the lab. Because your score reflect to your profile, on your profile. This is your profile. Activities. And yeah, I have 100 on 100 score. Yeah. You also have this category where you can earn badges. So like if you will be completing next path, so you have these badges. Yeah, one more thing. Uh, into this course, this was your first level, right? Now you have to move forward and learn something more with this. So just go to your profile or just head over to paths. I'll head over to paths for now. Okay. Just scroll down, and what we will be covering for this is Google Cloud Fundamental, Google Cloud Computing Foundations. So click to this path and then click on to start learning path. You selected Google Cloud Computing Foundation. Congratulations on taking the next step in your career journey. Get started. That means this path have uh, many labs that you have to complete within the course of this cloud study jam. See, don't worry about credits now because we have monthly subscription. So yeah, you guys have to do everything like this. Okay. Instead of this, you can add additional paths to your learning path if you want to learn something else. Okay. तो किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है या किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है?
I didn't get my monthly subscription. Like it's not showing there.
Have you completed your lab?
Yes, I've completed it.
Okay,
And
good.
credit is also 0.
Credit is 0 and you have completed your lab.
Yes.
You were on incognito, right?
Yes, I'm on incognito.
Uh, each step was ditto
Yes, yes,
as
everything.
mine. I have to check. Can you please share your screen?
1 second.
I know we have time left or not because it is
So we don't
getting
have
pretty
to
late.
do anything after completing the task,
Yeah,
right?
We are getting late.
we are getting late.
Solve the queries.
Ah, Aryan, you are the last. Please show your screen. I'll help you. Aryan, please share your screen.
Yes,
I'll
yes,
help
I'm
you.
doing. I'm doing.
Okay, okay, all right, all right.
Sure. अरे भैया,
Sir, what about those who didn't have received the confirmation?
Uh, Confirmation mail. So, Ashmit, I think that your mail was rejected, I guess.
Yes,
Right, Amita?
I've shared my screen.
Okay, please scroll down.
Yes.
Okay, so are you on incognito, right? Because I cannot
Yes, I'm on
see your.
incognito. You can see.
I cannot see. That
Okay.
is why.
And
Please,
did you log in and redeem your code because you will
Yes,
get
the
credits
code in
after
email
that.
ID. Yes, I did it with
which
that.
one? Which one? Which one?
Uh,
Generative AI or Cloud Foundation?
no, I haven't done that. Like you showed that copy of a link. Like uh, wait,
Oh,
this one. I
can
did
you
this one.
please can you please do one thing? Uh, can you please do all the steps again, following the YouTube video that you will be provided?
Okay.
Okay.
Like
I think that will help. If not, please message me. I will help you. Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. No problem. Anyone else? Amita, please check Ashmit's name on docs, because I think like
Ashmit's cloud boost ID was wrong, so his mail,
uh,
his form got rejected. As far as I know, only one form got rejected, and it was of Ashmit. So
Ashmit, sorry, but we have told you like many times that you need to properly fill your form.
I guess all doubts have been cleared. Okay, let me just give you a check of all the deadlines. Guys, you have to redeem your code till 14th of October. After that, your code will expire, so you can't redeem it after that. Okay. And for all those who are complaining of not receiving the mail, please check that mail that you used to make this skill boost ID. You will get mail on that account, not the one from which you filled your form. And also check your spam, or just go to your history and check for October 3rd, because all the mails were sent on October 3rd only. And all those who have received to join WhatsApp group mail from our side, those all have been shortlisted. So you must check your mails. You must have received your mails. Just check, and just check for October 3rd. Mails have got lost already. And also the generative AI track is scheduled for October 16th week for our institute. So don't worry about it. We will have another session on how to redeem its code and how to complete your generative AI arcade game. It is very easy, so it won't take time. I'll suggest you all to just complete your labs, and because you won't be able to do it at the end of the month, and you have to complete it till 30th of October. After that, you don't get any deadline extensions. Okay, so don't depend on any deadline extensions, or that you have monthly subscriptions till 11th of November or 14th of November. You will get to complete this path till October 30th only. And any other queries, we are there in group. You can ping your queries there. If anyone is getting any query while completing any of the labs, just send your screenshot, and we will try our best to help you. And we will be sending notes, and also we will be having sessions every week to consult and to check your progresses. Also, there is a surprise. We will be sharing a leaderboard, and all those who will talk on leaderboard till the end, top three will get extra swags from my side. So try to complete this as soon as you can, because there is a limitation to complete a number of labs. So you can't complete all labs in one day. It might get your account might get suspended after completing some number of labs. I don't know about the number, but there is a restriction.
Okay, so
Uh,
one more thing, please add key what path they have to follow.
Yeah, GCCF, the Google Cloud Computing Foundation path, you have to complete that whole path. It has 8 courses, I guess. All the labs and all the videos you have to watch. If you don't want to watch the videos, just skip it. But I'll suggest to watch the videos because it will help you completing your labs. Okay, and rest everything we will help you throughout. Ujjwal is there to help you. You can ping your queries. I guess I have covered pretty much.
Everyone is there to help you. Just ping in the WhatsApp group, and those who know the answer, just give the answer, guys. It is what community is. We are the community, and we have to make this successful. So, like, please do your jobs properly. Complete the labs on time, and we have generative AI coming on 16th October. You can start using your code for generative AI from 16th. We'll be taking a session for that also, and also we'll be announcing a lot more sessions in the coming days. So don't worry about anything, and just try to learn as much as you can with this study jam. And I hope you guys learn a lot with this study jam, and you guys learn that much कि you you are able to like use Google Cloud easily, and you are confident enough that I know cloud. Okay, so don't hesitate to ask anything about anything. So yeah, this is what, and I think we are getting late, बहुत ज़्यादा. So yeah,
Anyone
I
has any
think
queries, you can ask, else we are ending the session.
yeah, I think so. We have our first session is successful because of you guys.
Okay, if no one has any queries, please guys just turn on your camera for a few minutes. We want to take a photo of this session. Okay, Ujjwal, you can stop presenting.
गूगल क्लाउड अच्छा नहीं लग रहा क्या?
We want more of the attendees. It will come in the.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll do it. Please open up your camera, guys. Please. Whenever you are ready. Nice, nice, nice.
Put a smile on your faces, guys.
ये फोटोज पोस्ट होने वाली है भाई.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
हो गया क्या कैमरामैन?
Just one more.
Okay.
Good. अब तुम अपना गूगल क्लाउड वाला लगा सकते हो. We will have that also.
अरे कोई दिक्कत नहीं. अरे हॉस्टलर्स कौन है यार? नाइस नाइस. मतलब शारदा के हॉस्टल में सो या फिर बाहर के? नाइस नाइस. सही है. Cool.
Okay, great guys.
24/7 आ जाना किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो.
हाँ, Ujjwal is very
अभी अभी 24/7 अभी.
हाँ मतलब अभी नहीं भाई, मतलब एनी टाइम मैं पार्टी नहीं करवाने वाला.
Okay, okay.
चलो ठीक है.
okay. Also, you will be getting a feedback form after this session. Please fill it. It will help us to improve. Okay.
So I
Great.
think we have to wrap our session for now. यार मैस मिस हो गया यार.
Okay, guys. Now we can leave. Great having you. Also, if anyone has any queries, please ping us and join the WhatsApp group. Also, if anyone has not joined yet.
We will be sharing any other details in the WhatsApp group. So please uh, check your groups regularly and also try to be active in the group. Try to share knowledgeable things about cloud and what you learned today. It is really cool if you can share what you learn each day into the group and also on other platform. I would really appreciate if you can do that.
Yeah,
And
that's a
even
good idea.
you can take the screenshot and share on your social media. It would be really great. Your profile building will be really great with that. So like highly suggest you to do that.
Yeah, Ujjwal is expert in building profile of
No, I am not.
LinkedIn and Twitter. So, okay, you can take notes from him.
No, I am not. So
You
yeah,
can. Okay.
chalo, let's go.
Okay, Samad, what is your question?
हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमारी लर्निंग पाथ काउंट हो रहा है? So you will be able to see
Okay.
that on your dashboard, right?
Yeah, you will get all your activities there, whichever
हमको
you
कैसे
plan to
पता, what do you
complete.
mean कि हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमारी लर्निंग पाथ काउंट हो रही है?
Okay, I'll try to share the list of the all the participants who got shortlisted. Then you can check if your name is there or not. Okay, but all those who have received WhatsApp link in their mail, they are shortlisted as far as I know. I have sent mail
If you want to ping
to
me,
them
just ping
only.
me.
Any other questions, or should we just end?
चलो यार, it's getting late और सब बोर हो रहे हैं.
Yeah, खाना खा लो सब लोग. मैंने नहीं खाया.
Okay, guys, good night. See you all in the next session. Have fun and try to learn new thing each day. Good night.
Sir,
Bye. I'm not Sir, bro. I'm Ujjwal.